Hello students, so let's see the next topic of probability. I hope you understand the previous videos and its topic, coin problem, dice problem, cards problem. In your syllabus that's a 3 topic only, coin, dice and card. But some miscellaneous problems are always comes in your board examinations of 1 to 4 marks questions, 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks. So we take the different types of questions for purpose of board examination. So first, if I say probability of two friends having same day birthday, two friends having same day birthday, and the same thing, probability of two friends having different day birthday. If suppose we taking the non-leap year 365 days, a person A having birthday on 1st July, so what possibility of B of the birthday celebrate that say the friends having same day birthday? So B have only one option, that is 1 July. Means if both having same date birthday, so you can say let's have the same birthday. So if A celebrate on 30 March, so B also 30 March. If B celebrate on 2 November, so A also 2 November. Means for both the date is same. So how many times they celebrate the birthday in whole year? That's called the same day birthday. So out of 365, only 1 days are options for the both he celebrate on same day birthday. And some other concept for this question, if we combine them, so there are many other concepts but not in your syllabus, so we can't explain the total outcomes finding multiplying form. No, we simply same day birthday, there's only one chance, 1 upon 365. That's a ordinary year. But in leap year, that is 1 upon 366. Different day birthday, so have two concepts. First concept, if A celebrate on 1st July, so different day means कि B not celebrate on 1st July, means B have open to celebrate on other 364 days. Means if A celebrate on 1st July, so in whole year only 1 day or less. Another all days if B celebrate, so this is called different day birthday. Means that is 364 upon 365, or you can say for leap year 1 day less, means 365 upon 366. Or you directly find them, or for different day birthday 1 minus probability of same day birthday, 1 minus 1 upon 365, 365 LCM, 365 minus 1, so you get 364 upon 365. Same answer. So this is also the concept to finding the two friends having same day or different day birthday. Same day or different day birthday. So pause the concept video and note down. Next topic is the area based question. So area based question, if I say a rectangle, divided into 4 equal part, 5 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We write ABC. चलो. If this is 10 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter, same here we take 10 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. If I say there are 5 reasons for the hitting the task, if we throw this marker and we find the probability the marker hit in this region, so the probability the region is A. Probability of hit in A region. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many A here? Only 1. So 1 upon 5. Or you can say hit in A region. Area of A region upon total area. A region area is a rectangle, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, length 2, breadth 4, so 2 into 4. And the whole region area, length 10, breadth 4, 10 into 4. 4 cancel, 2 5s are 10, 1 by 5. The same answer. Don't be confused. Here the area of the region A, B, C, D, E is the same. Means they are equally divided. So we can find directly probability 5, that is only 1 out of 5, 1. Or you can take the area of region A upon total area. Both are the concept is right for this figure. But if the region is not divided into equal part, they are equal. They are equal. If A, B, C are the 3 regions, we want to find the probability of region A. So 3 regions, 1, 2, 3, and only 1 A. This. But if using the formula of area, probability of region A, that is area of A region upon total area. Total area 10 into 4, rectangle, and A region length 5, breadth 2. 1 by 4. Is it same? Is it same? No, because here the area of A region is not equally divided between for B and C. Means A, B, C are not equally divided. So in that case, we can't use that formula to find the probability of region A. Here we only find the probability of region A is area of this region upon total area. I hope so you understand. Means simple word, if region or the figure is not equally divided, so we can find the area of the probability by using the area formula, or you can say the area covered by the figure. The question is, the value based question come in board examination and 2 times, I think 2016 and 17 both. A forest, rectangular forest (100 kilometer, 10 kilometers by 4 kilometer) forest, and inside a circular pond of 1/2 kilometer radius or diameter. Means diameter is 1/2 kilometer. That's a pond. And a plane is crashed inside the forest. Find the probability the crashed plane are dropped inside the pond. So, probability of aeroplane dropped inside the pond. So that is area of pond upon total area of forest. Pond pi r square, forest 10 into 4 length to breadth. Then put the value. That's your choice. You can put the value of pi 20/7 and radius is 1/4 kilometer. So 1/4 into 1/4 whole upon 10 into 4. So 22/7 into 1/4 into 1/4, that is 1/10 into 4. It can be simplified only this part. So 11/4 4 is 16 to 32, 32 into 7. So into 14, 22 this. 11/2240 is the probability of the aeroplane that dropped inside the pond. If in this question the value want key for this incident, what value show by the pilot? What value show by the pilot? You know, there is a forest and the plane crashed. If plane crashed and dropped in the forest, so it can be fire. And so many plants, trees, and wild animals are distracted or destroyed, and many are the lost your life. So what can be so value by the pilot? That's a good mind, or you can say take sincerity, or loving with the wild animals, love with the forest, or the nature friendly. Means you can write always positive comment for this. Okay, pause video, note down. Let's see next question. The question number 6. This is a CBSE question 2015. You also read the question. A bag contains white, black, and red balls only. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. If the probability of getting a white ball is 3/10, and the probability of black ball is 2/5. Probability of white ball 3/10. Probability of black ball 2/5. Then find the probability of getting a red ball. Find the probability of getting a red ball. If the bag contains 20 black ball, number of black ball, that is 20. Then find the number of balls in the bag. Total balls in bags. So, first see a simple concept. White, black and red, 3 types of ball in the bag. Only 3 types of ball. And you know that the probability sum of all possible probability in event is equal to 1. So there are 3 probability. Probability of white ball plus probability of black ball plus probability of red ball is equal to 1. White ball probability 3 by 10. Black ball probability 2 by 5. Red ball probability, suppose that I don't know. So simple the concept. Probability of red ball is equal to 1 minus these 2 probability. Send opposite side. Take the LCM. 10. 10 minus 3 minus 4. So you get 10 minus 3. 7 minus 4. 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is the probability of red ball. So next question, what's the next question? If number of black ball is 20, what's the total ball? So here solve. Probability of black ball is equal to number of black ball upon total balls. Black ball probability is given 2 by 5. Number of black ball 20. Total ball nahi malum. Cross multiply. So 2x is equal to 100. So x is equal to 50. Means this bag contain 50 total balls. 50 balls in a bag, and where the probability of red ball is 3 by 10. Pause the video, note down. Next question. Card based question. I know you are very happy to listen the card question. And the question is, read the question. The king, queen and jack of club are removed from the deck of 52 playing card. Then well shuffled. Now one card is drawn random. Find the probability of heart and king. King of club, jack of club, queen of club. These 3 cards are removed. So the total remaining card 52 minus 3, 49 cards. Means now the pack of 49 cards. Find the probability of a king. Find the probability of a heart. So upon 49 there is no change. How many hearts in the pack? There are 13 hearts. And no hearts are removed. Only clubs removed. Means all 13 cards are in this pack. That is 13 by 49. That's your answer. Then the king. How many kings are in pack? There's a 4 king, but 1 king are thrown. So that is 3 by 49. Okay. Pause the video, note down. The question is, A bag contains two types of balls. Bag contains red and blue balls. If number of red balls is 30 and the probability of red ball is 2/3 of the probability of blue ball. Find the number of blue ball. That is the board question, and you know question is so long but the answer is so small. 3 marks question is board examination. Let number of blue ball x, number of red ball 30, total number of balls x plus 30. According to question, probability of red ball is 2/3 of the probability of blue ball. Probability of red ball is 2/3 of probability of blue ball, and probability of red ball is number of red ball upon total balls, 2/3 into number of blue ball upon total ball, and always total ball in division both cancel. So x is equal to 30 into 3/2, that is 15, that is 45 blue balls in a bag. So easy question, but the step marking important. So pause video, note down, understand the questions.